Okay, so a little something out of the blue. Uh, this is something that I wanted to add to my YouTube channel from a very long time, wherein I usually and only post songs. I just thought of adding this part as well, wherein I can vent out about few things that are happening on a daily basis, which I see while I'm scrolling the reels or while I'm looking at the YouTube shorts. So I just thought of venting out about some of the topics, and that is something which is my personal thought, and I do not intend to offend anybody out there. So if you agree or if you relate to what I say, you may comment, you may just support, and if you do not agree and if you do not like what I say, you can just simply ignore it. So with that, I would like to just start with the first thing that I wanted to vent out about, with the first venting out video, is about a recent cribbing that I have come across, uh, coming from the new mothers who have recently delivered their babies, and they're on the journey to become the influencers. So a very annoying thing that I have listened from them, or I have uh, just noticed coming out of them, is how difficult the motherhood journey is. See, as a female, I have not experienced yet though, but I know that motherhood journey is really, really difficult. It starts with a lot of body changes and it ends up with a lot of pain. And the journey after that is even more difficult. But trust me, if you have got the chance to be in that journey, you are really, really lucky. So when you are saying कि ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मैं बता रही हूँ कि अगर आप बेबी प्लान कर रहे हो, योर चॉइस, और अगर आप प्लान ड्रॉप करना चाहते हो मेरी बात सुन के, तो प्लीज़ डू, बिकॉज इट्स रियली रियली डिफिकल्ट. वन. Second, when you say that I have not felt like myself, I have not dressed properly, I have not, lived my life like I did before this motherhood journey. I have not combed my hair. I have not enjoyed life. So let me just ask you that, has someone forced you to be in that position? No. You have got that position. You have become a mother by your choice. God has supported you because you are God's favorite. And if you have got that opportunity, stop cribbing about it. Even if you're doing for the views, for the followers that you're trying to get. Reason being, जो आपको मिला है वो पाने के लिए बहुत सारी लेडीज़ इस दुनिया में इतनी कोशिश कर रही हैं. They are working their ass off. They are praying their heart out. They are ready to lose their sleeps in the nights. They are ready to lose their sleeps in the daytime. They are ready to lose their career. They are ready to lose whatever they have just for the sake of one baby, because they want to enjoy the motherhood. So आप नहीं समझते उस पेन को. So if you're getting a pain which you have got with the motherhood journey, trust me, you are the luckiest. So आप अगर इन्फ्लुएंसर बन रहे हो तो बी अ पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंसर यार, जिसपे आप एटलीस्ट बता सको कि आप कितने लकी हो टू enjoy that body that you have got during pregnancy, the kicks that you have experienced from the baby, the part of the delivery where the whole family was looking on to you, wherein the whole family was just praying that मेरी बेटी सही से बाहर आ जाए ऑपरेशन थिएटर के और डिलीवरी रूम के, उसका बच्चा सही से बाहर आ जाए. The moment when your husband was crying because he has become a father. So वो सारी चीज़ें जो आपने अपनी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस कर ली है ना, जिसके वीडियोस आपके पास होंगे जो आप पोस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आपको दिखाना है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में, जिसमें आप बताना चाह रहे हो कि मदरहुड कम्स सेकंड, बट यू हैव टू बी independent, you have to be a working woman. Yes, you have to be, I agree. बट आपने जो मदरहुड जर्नी इन्जॉय करी है और आपने जो उस जर्नी को जिया है, डोंट जस्ट बी अनग्रेटफुल अबाउट इट, राइट? सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू से दिस कि आप प्लीज़ भगवान से ग्रेटफुल हो जाइए दैट यू हैव गॉट what you have prayed for and what others don't have. Thank you so much.